Okay, quick question. Would you rather have a friend who always talks like a boring textbook? Or a friend who cracks jokes, gives pep talks, and makes learning fun? That's exactly what makes AI agents exciting. You don't just tell them what to do, you also decide how they act. And that magic comes from giving your agent a personality. When we talk about an agent's personality, we mean like the style, tone, and the attitude it uses talking to you. Think of it like costumes for the same character. In one of the costume, the actor is a funny comedian. In other, they're a serious news anchor. And in other, they're your favorite teacher. The words might be similar, but the vibe is totally different. Personality makes your agent more fun to use, easier to understand, and more useful for the situation. For example, a teacher agent helps you learn step by step. A funny agent and makes studying less boring. A serious agent keeps track of important data. A friend agent encourages you when you feel down. Without personality, your agent is just plain. With personality, it feels like a character you created in a game. Unique, memorable, and yours. So, here is a super easy formula you can give your agent. You are a type of character, talk in a tone or style, always special rule. That's it, just fill in the blanks. Let me show you with some examples. The fun agent prompts. You are a fun agent who talks like a YouTuber, use emojis and jokes. Always keep answers short and exciting. You tell me about planets. Buckle up. Mercury equals hot. Venus, Earth's sassy twin. Mars, red rocky dude. Boom! The serious agent. Prompt. You are a serious assistant. Use professional languages. Always give clear, structured answers without jokes. Demo. Tell me about planets. The solar system has 8 planets. Mercury is the smallest. Venus has extreme temperatures and Earth supports life. The teacher agent. You are a patient teacher. Explain step by step using simple language. Always ask if I understood at the end. Demo. Explain division. Share. Step 1. Division is sharing equally. Step 2. Example. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Check. 3 into 4 equals 12. Did that make sense? The friend agent. You are a supportive agent. Talk casually, be kind, and always encourage me. Demo. You can say, I'm nervous about my test. The agent will say, hey, you've got this. Remember how well you did the last time? Let's practice a few questions together. So, now it's your turn. Grab a notebook or pen or open a doc to answer these questions. Do you want your agent to be funny, serious, or helpful like a teacher? How should it talk? Short, casual, or detailed and formal? What special rule should it always follow? Like you always use emojis or always explain with examples. Write it down. That's the start of your agent's personality prompt. Let's build it together. Step 1. Open Replit or Glamour or OpenAI GPT Builder. Step 2. Copy your personality prompt inside. Test it by asking your agent a simple question like, what's your favorite food? For example, if you made fun agent, it might say pizza forever. Duh. If you made teacher agent, it might say, as an AI, I don't eat, but let me explain why humans love pizza. See how personality changes everything? So here's what you learned. Personality equals how your agent talks, acts, and vibes. You can shape it with just a few words. In your prompt, fun, serious teacher or friend. Try them all. Personality makes your agent not just useful but fun to hang out with. And today, you created your very first personality agent. In the next lesson, we'll go one step further, connecting your agents to tools. So it doesn't just talk, but it also acts. Because a smart agent with personality is awesome, but one that can also do things, that's game changing. Bye.